Hello my dear students, welcome to your mathematics class with your Ashu ma'am. Dear students, today we are going to start unit 6 lines and angles. So in this chapter we will study the types of lines and the angles related to them. So as you can see, angles and lines, the very first angle you can see in the picture is right angle, in which one angle is 90, means the two lines are inclined to each other at 90. Then acute angle, which is less than 90. Obtuse angle, greater than 90. Angle bisector means a line is drawn to bisect the angle. Bisect means to divide the angle into two equal parts. Then in the second row you can see the first types of line, intersecting lines, then two perpendicular lines, then very importantly you can see parallel lines, the lines which are equidistant from each other, means the distance between the two lines is constant. Then these lines are known as parallel lines. Then types of triangles you can see. So in this figure also you can see the purple shape right angle, then green angle, acute angle, then orange obtuse angle, bisected angles, parallel lines pink, perpendicular lines are represented by blue color, and intersecting lines. So here it is your work to do before starting the chapter, that identify the angles by writing right, acute or obtuse on the line. So you have to write, do this in your notebook. Then dear students, here are some angles which are related to parallel lines. That means the lines between which the distance is constant at every point. And in this picture you can see the types of angles formed by two parallel lines and an intersecting line known as transversal. First, in the first part, red angle is represented, and this pair is known as alternate interior angles, and both will be equal. Then supplementary angles you can see will be look in this way, you can see in this way. Supplementary angles, that means the angles on the same side of interior angles. Then alternate angles, you can see both are equal. Alternate exterior, then same side exterior angles, outside supplementary angles, then corresponding angles, as you can see in this figure. So dear students, this is the picture in which you can see parallel lines cut by a transversal, and the angles which are equal to each other are represented by the same color. As you can see on the right hand side, red boxes there, it is representing corresponding angles. So in the figure you can see red angles, two marked red, they are equal and they are termed as corresponding. Then orange color angles, alternate exterior. Then yellow will be marked as vertically opposite equal angles. Then green color, same side interior angles, their sum will be 180 degree. Then blue color, alternate interior angles, they will be equal. Then same side exterior angles, their sums will be 180 degree. So here are some real life applications in which we can see lines and angles in our day-to-day life. In these pictures you can see the various types of lines are represented, like the first picture on which you can see the road traffic there, that is forming parallel lines. Then 1 plus 1 plus sign is representing perpendicular lines. Then this clock, in clock we can see the hands are termed as intersecting lines forming reflex and right angle. Then on the roof, a boy is sitting with a bird, the angle of the roof is obtuse angle. Then on right hand side the direction chart is given, that is acute angle. So these are the angles, dear students, must draw in your notebook. So that's all for now. Thank you my dear students.